Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Not just with your eyes, but with a powerful microscope? Today, we're going to dive into the unseen world. We're going to explore something we touch every single day, and then we're going to put it under the microscope. So, what is this everyday object? It's your phone. Think about it. You're probably using it right now. We'll be taking a look at the surface of a phone screen. It's something we handle constantly, but we rarely, if ever, consider what might be living on it. Now let's get down to the exciting part. Under the microscope, things look very different. The smooth surface of your phone screen, which appears clean to the naked eye, reveals a whole other world. You'll see tiny particles, maybe some dust, and possibly even some unwelcome guests. We're talking about bacteria and other microorganisms. When we zoom in, it's like entering a bustling city. But instead of people, you have microscopic organisms. Some of these are harmless, but others could make you sick. The screen of your phone is a perfect breeding ground for these tiny creatures. Think about all the places your phone goes: the kitchen counter, the bathroom, your pocket, and countless other surfaces. So what can we learn from this? Well, it's a good reminder to keep things clean. Regularly wiping your phone screen with a microfiber cloth is a simple step that can make a big difference. You can also use phone-safe disinfectant wipes. These actions can help reduce the number of germs you come into contact with. This microscopic journey offers a fascinating glimpse into a hidden world. It shows us that even the most ordinary objects hold secrets. Your phone screen is just one example, and it's a constant reminder of the unseen world around us. So, next time you pick up your phone, remember the tiny world you're holding in your hands.